Magica De Spell first appeared in the 1961 Scrooge McDuck comic, The Midas Touch. Creator Carl Barks stated that he wanted to create a beautiful witch, as opposed to the ugly old hags of Mad Madam Mim and Witch Hazel. So he used Italian actress Gina Lollobrigida as a basis for her appearance. Magica's main goal is to steal Scrooge's #1 dime. With his dime, Magica wants to melt it down and place it in a magic amulet. This would give her the Midas touch. She would appear in a grand total of 9 comics during Barks' run. Magica didn't make her animated debut until DuckTales. While her animated version was similar to her comic counterpart, there were a few differences. In the comics, Magica didn't view Scrooge's first dime as a good luck charm. She believes his wealth is the source of the dime's power. On DuckTales, Magica believes the dime is a good luck charm. Also in the comics, she has a pet raven named Ratface. While the animated version does have a raven, he is her brother Poe, who had somehow got changed into a raven. His name obviously a tribute to Edgar Allan Poe, the author of The Raven. For some reason, Magica can't change him back into a duck without Scrooge's dime. Even though in the episode Send in the Clones, she got turned into a raven, then changed back, without the dime. Go figure. Like Ma Beagle, Magica was voiced by the legendary June Foray, who used her Natasha Fatale voice for the witch. Although she made only a cameo on Darkwing Duck, Magica would play a major role in the comics published by Boom. Magica is set to appear in the DuckTales reboot, but so far there has been no pictures of what she looks like or how different she will be. I am Joe Tophat, and this has been a DuckTales character profile.